channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about this brown chocolate latte inspired look, but I figured let's put my own little spin on it. I've been wanting to do like sort of like a glossy look for a while, and I figured like this would be the perfect combination of the two. So let's get into the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate the support. If you have not already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It does help out my channel. It helps push my videos out to more viewers and thus growing the family. If you're new here, this is the first time clicking on my video, go ahead and subscribe. I promise you won't be disappointed. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I upload my videos on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. So go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Definitely be a part of the notification gang. I would love to have you. And while you're here, whether you're a new subscriber or you're a returning subscriber, check out some of my other videos. Sometimes I'm putting up these videos. Are you watching? Are you watching? Are you seeing the effort? Go ahead and watch some of my other videos. I always link relevant videos in the cards for you, but there's always videos in my description box as well. And at the end of the video, the end cards, there's usually a recommended video for you or a playlist selected for you to watch as well. So yes, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye now.